Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to enable secure folder on your device can provide an additional layer of security for your sensitive data, such as photos, documents, and apps. Secure folder create a private encrypted space on your device where you can store and access confidential information separately from your regular files and apps. This can be particularly useful if you share your device with others or if you want to keep certain data private and protected from unauthorized access. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open settings menu on your device. Well, next here you can type secure folder in the search box. After that, select this option. Okay, next click continue to start activating. Click continue again. So here you can wait a moment till the process is finished. Okay, on to the next step. You can select which log type you will use. Okay, and then enter the log code. Click continue and confirm it as before. Click OK. Well, so your secure folder is successfully created. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.